I feel like I'm having a head massage right now. Oh, this is so very cool. Hey, what's up, birdsmen and greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Birds and Stuff. And today, this is gonna be our fourth episode of our November Halloween inspired theme product review series. But this is not gonna be a product review product review. But instead, I'll just do what I usually do when I apply pomade and style my hair. So something like a tutorial and a demo. So anyway, this is also my first time using this product from this company, but I'm not gonna disclose it yet. I'm not gonna discuss anything related to that. I'm just gonna stick on to the application and styling. But don't worry, full product review series is coming up next. I am not sure when, but it's coming. So hold your horses, okay? Grab a seat and relax. So like I said, this is just gonna be a tutorial or demo or something like that. If you wish to follow, feel free to do so. This works for me every time, and it's I know I get used to using pomades already. That it's like muscle memory, and most of the people say that I have a good or great combing skills. Yeah! I don't know. If you think so, then thanks. And why don't we just get right to it? So, watch this. And so here we go. What I have here is freshly cleaned, washed, slightly damp hair. And that works best with unorthodox oil-based products or pomades. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and apply it. So just take a scoop and spread it in your palms. Don't break it down, don't emulsify, because it doesn't work like that. And first application, just spread it around. Okay, comb through your hair to the roots and to the tips. Don't forget the back area and the side, but no worries, because it's just our first application, and usually and usually I apply 3 scoops. So here's your second scoop, just like that. Yeah, can you hear that? Oh yeah. Does that remind you of something?
Oh yeah.
And here goes our second scoop and application. So far so good. Ooh, if you could just smell this, if you can just smell this,
what?
It's just very nice, very soothing. So last but not the least, third scoop. Pick up. Like that. Look at that. Look how nice and creamy that is. And yeah, there. Okay. Just like that. Make sure everything is applied. It is evenly distributed. So look at that. Look how slick that is. No hair strands, so that's good. And now I'm gonna use this comb to further spread the product and evenly coat my hair. And just like that, brush it up to the back, just like that, and to straighten those stubborn and wavy hair all the way to the back, just like that. I think I need a new haircut. Do you think so?
Duh.
So just like that. And now I can't decide. I don't know which of these I'm going to use. This one or this one? I think I'll just use this one for good measure. So just like that, like I always do. Part your hair on whichever side you're comfortable with. Part, then brush up to the back. Then again, just like that. Let me look at my mirror. It is working out so well so far. Just like that. This is what I do. I just brush it up and push to the side to my left. Then clean the sides. Oh, what's this? Ew! Okay. Also this part right here. There. Yeah. Like that. Then push it back to the front. Then comb a little more to add volume. Yeah, you should try this comb, you know, for added volume and better control if you have thick wavy hair like mine. Yes, and I think that's it. Look at that. That's how I usually style my hair. Let me just put the cap back on, and here you go. Okay, top side, front. Okay, right side. Nice, nice, nice. And left side. Alright, so that's how I do my hair. And if you want more tutorials, demo, and I don't know, whatever, just leave a comment in the comment section down below, and leave a like. Most of all, subscribe. And if you wanna find out more product discounts, you know, if you wanna purchase something, you know, Christmas is coming up, so that's a great gift. So check them out in the description box down below. So that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic, hairtastic YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi, and you're watching Beards and Stuff.